Welcome back to BJS Official. In this particular video, I am going to be showing you how to apply for a loan on Incosify. So if you have been wondering how you can actually apply for a loan, now this video is for you. So if you want to apply for a loan or any loan, this is what you have to do. But before I show you that, disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose and not financial advice. So any shows on this video or everything that you see on this video varies based on individual effort. So before you opt in, make sure to make your own personal research and know what everything is all about before you opt in. Thank you. Now let's go. So for you to apply for a loan, just click right there. So after clicking on it, come down. After scrolling down, you see loans. Click on loan. Now it's going to show like this. All you have to do is to click on apply. So after clicking on apply, it's going to show this. You have to look at this very well. You can actually apply up to, let's say, from 50 euro to 10,000 euro, and the charges starts from 3%. Understand? So let's say I want to apply for 50 euro. I will just come right there and type 50. You don't need to, just type it 50 like that. What do you want to use the loan for? Or briefly explain the purpose of this loan. You can just say to expand. You can just say for business or to expand my business. Understand? You can just use this as the purpose or whatever you want to use the loan for. Then you can click on submit application. I can just say business right there. Understand? Now you click on submit. Now you have to make sure that what you type right there is in words. Understand? You make it understandable, not a single word like this. You just briefly explain. Understand? Because when I tap on it, I saw what it shows. You can say I want to use it to expand my business. Understand? Now you can now click on submit, but I don't know if this is okay or enough. You need to type enough words. So after clicking on it, you see that my loan has been submitted and you see that it's pending. You need to wait for approval. Understand? So the company is going to review the loan and either approve or reject it. So you see that the interest rate has been applied. I'm going to pay additional €1 as an interest. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video like this. Bye.